This 2025 Winnebago Minnie Winnie 26T is a Class C RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 28 feet 5 inches in length and features Sleep 6, LP detector, awning, refrigerator, microwave, water heater, air conditioning, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, stove top burner, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2025 Winnebago Minnie Winnie 26T is built on a Ford E450 chassis and is powered by a Ford engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.